I'm going to be talking about my favorite skincare step, and that is exfoliation. It leaves my skin looking great. And it is such a well-rounded step because it sloughs off dry and dead skin. Chemical exfoliator, wherein we use a combination of safer skin acids which work on your skin and completely dissolve the debris. Light Routine Soft is a safe and effective skin exfoliator offering maximum results with minimum product exposure, ensuring safety with efficacy. It is ideal for sensitive skin or for those who are just starting out with the self-care concept, especially youngsters. The active ingredient is salicylic acid, which is proven to work for acne control and skin brightness. This product improves skin tone and texture and combats skin dullness. You can use it up to twice a week with usage time between 45 to 60 seconds. Just apply a pea-sized amount of Light Routine Soft gently over a cleansed face and wash it off after 45 to 60 seconds. It is extremely lightweight and watery textured. So another product that I want to mention here is this Ice Lolly. I absolutely love this product. Now this product is a companion to the Light Routine series. So what it does is it basically helps you to cool down your skin after you're done with your exfoliation peel, and this honestly gives you a more controlled cooling as compared to an ice cube. Okay, so let me show you how it works. So it's now time for you to like, share and subscribe to the channel, and I'm going to see you in the next one.